this video, I'm going to tell you can find keywords by using Google Trends. That's the starting. So I talked about this before, finding a trending topic or, so you can get views, but I'm going to say you can do it on Google Trends. So, see how it says, enter a search term or topic. So let's go to a topic. That's easier to do to find a keyword. So, in my niche, I do this one. Okay, topic. Now this right here, web search, searching like on, it's printing on the web. So you want to do is, we do this for a YouTube video, go to Google search, and I'll show you what's trending. So this is really trending right now. Well, now. So let's go down to what keywords I can use. How to create thumbnails on YouTube. How to make thumbnails on YouTube videos. But if you see right here, it says breakout. I need to do this one. Let's go what it looks like. As I restart the web search again, I'm interested to see what is on the web. Not very much. But on YouTube, there's two. 20th to 26th and 2020. Horrible year. And I'm not just 17, 2021. So it's almost like end of the year when it goes by. Let's see, so it's getting to that year time of a month again. That's why I'm now into the 17th. And it's today, right now, it's the 16th. So if I made a video about this right now, I'll be one of the first. That's why it says breakout. And I get maximum views by doing this. So let's go to the other one. Okay, go back. And let's do this once in a while. You decide double click on the back button. Now I'll take you back to the previous page. Annoying, sir. Alright. Was this vital information? It's worth it. So here's what else you can do. Topic, again. I'm gonna compare it to thumbnail. So has tag. Okay, that's first bar. Okay, video editing. By the way, I do have a video coming out today, exactly. Well, when you see this, it will be out. Well, I'll show you how to video edit on video editor. But you can see these two are trending. So thumbnail and video editing. And you can compare some more. So now let's do SEO. And then you got the search and top pleasing, that's what that is. That's starting the trend, you see right here. So if I do that, then that'd be a prime opportunity for me to really get views. So let's go down here. So you see on here the thumbnail, how to create thumbnails on YouTube, how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. So I'm going to do that one, I do this one right here, so it's breakout. Okay. Free editing stuff out for PC. That was a breakout when that was not. But that's free video editing software for PC. Video editing apps. I did a video soon after this. And editing videos. What's that? Kind of drop down for more information about that. That'd be very useful. Link SEO. And see Google My Business SEO. Viewer did a video up I did, so I did. It'd be the good one, so it's breakout. So that's really easy for SEO, that's what I'm going to do. And this also will be stolen again. So going back to the website. On Google on YouTube. Okay, YouTube SEO is not what you claimed it. Okay. That's our search terms. Okay, so let's start to our gaming. Because gaming is really hard. If you guys can use this for gaming, it's powerful. So that's our Fortnite. Okay. That's really trending in YouTube stars. Now let's go favorite field. Fine, alright. Just spell it right. We're gonna wear the water film about Minecraft. Now you see Minecraft is a straight line. Now I'm not really analyze this. It's how I identified video editing and YouTube algorithm will be trending. I predict Minecraft right now will be trending soon. Straight line, waiting to go up or down. Okay, what else pop on the game? Ooh, I know one. The Sims. General. So it's not really popular anymore. Well, that's fine. And so you can see where these are popular in. Fortnite is mostly popular in here. Well, that's Minecraft. And in Fortnite using the blue. And what the heck is Sims? Sims is so smart you can really see it. Okay. $19 Fortnite card. Breakout. $30 artifacts Fortnite. Breakout. Neymar Jr. Fortnite. Breakout. See what you can do? Minecraft. Minecraft Among Us, breakout. Minecraft Warning, breakout. Minecraft Craft Caves and Pillars, breakout. F-in-F Minecraft, breakout. Whatever that says, Minecraft, breakout. We can use this for powerful keyword research. Here's the thing for the Sims. What's that? Yeah. North Dakota. Okay, so Carlos Living Sims 4. I know that's a new add-on. Breakout. Snow Escape, kinda old, but that's kinda new. Breakout. Sims 4 Green Home Decorator. Breakout. Sims 4 Mars 2021. Breakout. And Sims 4 Paranormal. Breakout. That's hard. That's the one. That's not what's right here against you. Let's go back. Prepare. It's backwards. Carlos name is 4. Now you see why. Yeah. These are really powerful search terms. If you were to do these on your needs that's appropriate to it, then you can really get massive views. If you like this video, subscribe for more. Smash that like button so this could be showing to more people who need help. And that is all. Have a great day.